वेरी वॉर्म वेलकम टू आवर शो एंड
Thank you, ma'am.
अभी जैसे हम देख रहे हैं कि आज स्टीलेक्स 25 का सेकंड डे है एंड वी आर आल्सो मींस लाइक हैविंग वेरी एंथुसियास्टिक एनवायरनमेंट टुडे एज वेल। तो सबसे पहले तो आप थोड़ा अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे दीजिए।
I am Hemant Lunia from Balaji Niryat Private Limited. I am from Kolkata basically. We are into stainless steel coils processing and pipe manufacturing business and then downstream industry. So I have joined this IFA organization for betterment of the steel industry in the east part of India, and IFA have helped quite a lot, and we are able to gather quite a lot of members from east part of India. And this Mahakumbh, as this year was a Kumbh year,
Yes.
so that's why IFA suggested the name Mahakumbh, because people from the world, from Nepal, Bangladesh, and Pan India gathered here for the common issues like the GST and raw material security and supply, and the lowering prices in the market due to rising imports and due to non-tariff trade barriers.
Okay.
So we urge the government to have some trade barriers so that the imports cannot rise, domestic industry can play well and have a level playing field.
Okay.
And mostly we urge the government to stop the illegal way of imports or misdeclarations which are being done in the port in any form.
Okay. So you talked about the illegal import, right? So can you just explain it?
Illegal imports are like people are misdeclaring the actual goods. They are not declaring the correct declaration of the goods, the correct HSN, and then the products are sold cheaper in the market, and uh, they are manipulating the BIS rules
Okay.
so that the quality of the product cannot be quality standard cannot be used in the market, and the product price can be cheaper. So which is hurting the domestic industry. Apart from IFA, this ISDA is also trying to protect the domestic industry, but since at the moment it is not much impacting, but I am hopeful that it will be impactful in the coming years so that the industry can thrive and more people can join the industry.
So all right. So you also participated in SteelX, right?
Yeah.
And so what do you expect? Means the problems you have already means talked about. So they would be solved soon, or what do you expect from the government as a contributor?
We have already put up the points in the to the government from the SteelX platform, and we are hopeful that the government will listen or find a path to have a solution to it.
All right. So you also talked about GST as well, right?
Yeah.
So what do you means like? Do you have any proposal or solution for this particular problem?
For GST, we want the customer, I mean the buyer, to pay the GST instead of the seller,
Okay.
because ultimately the seller is running away and the buyer is being penalized, and for the no reason. So a correct business house is affected and a corrupt person is uh, left, I mean going away, and is not being prosecuted.
Okay.
So this is hurting our industry margins and also the zeal to do business in this
So
industry.
do you means like consider some solutions which would exactly means like resolve this problem as soon as possible? Do you have something in mind?
Solutions are to reduce the GST rates or to make the tax payable on the hand of the buyer instead of the seller.
Okay.
So the buyer who receives the goods pays the tax. Ultimately the government can held accountable for the person who is paying the tax, not the person who is paying the tax in form of payments and then not getting the credit of it.
All right, all right. So means like on the second day of SteelX, we actually expect means like the all the problems would be heard as soon
Yeah.
as possible and the solutions would come out. And thank you so much for the valuable
Thank
sharing.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.